morning, good morning, students. So students, take out your grammar book. So students, all of you take out your grammar book, yes or no? Okay, then tell me in the previous class what we have done. Noun possession. Okay. So now we are going to discuss adjectives, na? उपासना मजुमदार. Mouse. So students, first of all tell me, have you remembered noun as possession? Yes or no? Okay, so let's revise once again. Before starting adjectives, let's revise, okay? Noun as possession. So first of all students, tell me, what do you mean by the word possession? What do you mean by the word possession? Am I audible to you? Okay, then tell me. What do you mean by the word possession? Huh? Apostrophe. Possession means belongings, na? Anything which belongs something, okay? So students, so possession means anything which belongs something, okay? Belongings. And to show the belongings we use apostrophe, na? Apostrophe s. So you know what apostrophe? You know apostrophe or not? Yes or no? What do you mean by apostrophe? Apostrophe shows something's or someone's belongings, na? By adding s with nouns. And you know that a noun, students, am I audible? Okay. And a noun ending, generally a noun ending with s, then we add the apostrophe after s, na? Generally with plurals. Any noun which is plural and which ends with s, then we add the apostrophe after s, na? Yes or no? Okay. And noun which doesn't ends with s, then we use the apostrophe before s. Okay. So just like if I write girls, then it is a noun, ends with s. Board is not clear. Okay. So the word girls, okay. So the word girls is a noun and it is also a plural word and ends with s. So we use the apostrophe after s, okay. But if I write only girl, then the word noun, it is a noun and it doesn't ends with s. So to show some belongings of girl, we use the apostrophe before s. Apostrophe then s, girls, okay. In the previous class we have also discussed it, na? If I write there, the board is visible or not? If I write there is a book belong to Maya, and if I write there is Maya's book, so students just notice the two differences. there is a book belongs to Maya, but to show the apostrophe we no need to write the word belong, okay, because the apostrophe itself shows the belongings, okay. So in the second sentence, there is Maya's book. So Maya's, the word Maya's shows that the book belongs to only Maya, okay. So it is clear. Noun as possession, the chapter is clear or not? Okay students, so take out now the adjectives. Adjectives. All of you take out adjective. Yes or no? What is the page number? 35. Okay. So 35 page number adjectives. All of you take out page number 35. Page number 35, we are going to start adjectives. So students, tell me, what do you mean by the word adjectives? Huh? Very good. Like that is a black dog, and the word black is adjective, na? But how can you tell? What's your name? Ivana. Okay. So Ivana, first of all, tell me, how can you say that the word black is adjective? Describing word. Very good, Ivana. So first of all, for adjectives we get one thing, the describing words. It means adjective describes something, na? Okay. So describe what? The quality of noun or pronoun. Okay, clear? Adjectives always describes the quality of noun or pronoun. Okay. So tell me one example. Tell me one example. Any example. Tell me an example of your book. Okay. Number 1. Speak. Honey is sweet. Okay. The board is visible or not? Okay. So honey, the first example is honey is sweet. You know the word honey? Okay. So honey is a noun, na? Yes or no? Okay. Try to concentrate, okay? So honey is a noun, na? And the word sweet is adjective. Yes or no? Because sweet is describing word, and the word sweet describe what? The word sweet describe honey, na? Yes or no? So okay, Very good. So sweet is a describing word and it describes honey. So always remember, for definition, students try to listen carefully. For definition we can say, for definition of adjectives we can say any describing words which describes noun or pronoun in a sentence, we call it adjectives. Okay, just like fast, tall, big, smart, beautiful, sweet, shower. Okay, okay, just see the another sentence. Number 2, another example. There is a beautiful picture. Okay, the word beautiful is adjective, na, and it is describing word. It describes what? Okay, it describes the word picture, na. Picture is a noun. Okay, another sentence. Her hair is black. So the word black is adjective and it describes her hair, not hair. Her hair. Whose hair? Whose hair? Huh? Whose hair describes? Her hair. So her hair is noun and the word black is adjective. Okay. Next example, Ram runs fast. Runs. No, the word fast. The word fast is adjective. It describes Ram. Who runs fast? Ram. So Ram is a noun. So fast is a describing word. So it is an adjective. Okay. So students, it is clear what is adjective? Any word which describes some noun, the quality of noun or pronoun in a sentence, we can call it adjective. Okay? Any describing word which describes noun or pronoun in a sentence, then we can call it adjectives. Okay? Okay students, so in the next video we will discuss the exercises, okay, of adjective. Okay students, bye. Yes, you can do it. Bye students.